Chicken Chow Mein, just like they make in China. Cook some fresh pasta until they're done. Add some dark soy sauce and oil. Heat your wok. Add some oil and some chicken. Give that a stir. Add in 2 eggs. Add in your veggies of choice. Cook till your vegetables are tender. Add your noodles. Add in some salt, white pepper, MSG, chicken powder, and give it a stir. This is just about done. You want to put in a little sesame oil and finish with green onions. Give it one last stir. We're going to turn off our heat and we're going to plate. And that's how you make Chinese style chow mein. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.